They said we were too much, too loud, too bold, too bright. But the world doesn't change by blending in. It changes when we show up in full color. Every streak is a story, every shade is a statement, every color a declaration that we're here, and we're not toning it down. We fall, we rise, we roll forward anyway. Because this isn't just about color. It's confidence, it's courage, it's the power to take every fall and still stand out. We don't wait for the world to make space for us, we color it ourselves. Unleash your bold with Arctic Fox, proud sponsor of Exposure.